My name is Bret from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and I'm an estate planning attorney. Allie, I got introduced to her in 2019 via the internet and saw an ad, and it really hooked me. I was like, he's talking to me. So I kind of clicked on it and started learning about the new law business model system at that point. I'm a general counsel for a company out of Washington, and long story on that, but this was their annual meeting, and I was supposed to be one of their speakers. And I had to call my friend and the CEO and say, hey, doing estate planning is it's my main income, and this is really important for me to go for my firm. And he's like, then dude, you gotta go. You gotta go do it. So we just canceled everything we were doing in Seattle, and we ended up coming here. And my wife actually came here. I think she thought she was coming here to sit by the pool or the beach, and she actually got engaged in the entire process herself. So it was really good for both of us. PFL has changed my life. And I don't say that flippantly because I'm in front of somebody asking me these questions. I say it because in 2019, when I found it, I was ready to quit. I was done. I'm a family law survivor. I almost into the 12-step program for family law survivors. I hated it so much. I felt it wasn't me. And I really didn't like a lot of the attorneys that I was working with on a daily basis. So when I joined PFL, I finally got introduced to a bunch of attorneys that I actually love, and that are relational attorneys, these attorneys that want to know their clients. You know, as a family lawyer, I couldn't do that. I met them once. I served them over a period of months or a year or so doing their divorce, and I don't see them again. And so here I'm able to actually create relationships with my clients. That's very important. Secondly, the support that they provide us it can be overwhelming at times because there's so much, and that's so much better than not enough. And so on any given day, I know that I can look at my calendar of the support Zooms that are happening and live events, the things that are happening out there, that I know that I'm supported. And I have people that I can email or call at a moment's notice and say, I'm stuck here. What do I do? Where do I go? And they let me know. So it's like, you may be a solo practitioner, but you have hundreds of people behind you. And then when we come to these events, we actually get to connect in person. And so it's been life-changing. It's been life-changing for my wife, watching her have confidence in me quitting a more steady income and taking this risk by doing this, but watching just the return on investment has been incredible here. I could probably go on for about an hour about PFL, but it has definitely not just changed my practice, but it's changed my life.